Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make baked tilapia. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the ingredients. First, over here I have 2 bell peppers. You can use any color that you like. I'm using red and orange, and I went ahead and diced them up into small pieces like this. And then you're going to need some olive oil. And then I have some lemons. You're going to need about the juice of 3 to 4 lemons. About 6 tablespoons of freshly minced garlic. 1 cup of chopped parsley. Some red pepper flakes. You can skip this part if you don't want it to be spicy. It just makes it a little bit spicy. And then half a tablespoon of cumin, half a tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of the tropical sazon. And then over here I have my fish fillets. I'm going to be using tilapia, but this recipe actually goes great with any type of fish that you like. And these are about 8 to 9 ounces each. So this is how thick they are. And now we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so I went ahead and placed my fillets on a baking sheet, and now I'm going to go ahead and start seasoning them. So I'm going to be seasoning the bottom part first, which is the most flat part, and now I'm going to season with about half a tablespoon of salt on the bottom part and then half a tablespoon of salt when I flip it over. So first we're going to season the bottom. So I'm going to do half a tablespoon of salt, a 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper, a 1/4 tablespoon of cumin, a pinch of the red pepper flakes, and then I'll spread the garlic over it, and I'll show you when I do that. After sprinkling with the red pepper flakes, now I'm going to go ahead and spread some of the minced garlic onto each fillet like this. And after adding the garlic, I'm going to go ahead and just sprinkle with some olive oil. And now I'm going to go ahead and add about 1/4 of the diced bell peppers onto the bottom of the fillets. And now I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle about half of that lemon juice onto the bottom of the fillets like this. And after sprinkling the lemon juice, now I'm going to go ahead and add about half of the parsley onto the fillets. Now last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle with some sazon. So now after sprinkling the sazon, we're going to be done with seasoning the bottom part of the fillets, and we're going to flip them over and season the top the same way we did to the bottom, and I'll show you when we do that. And after flipping them over, now we're going to go ahead and season the top of the fillets the same way we seasoned the bottom. And now the tilapia fillets are ready to go in the oven. I'm going to go ahead and bake them at 450 for about 45 minutes. Now, it depends how thick your fillets are. If they're not as thick, you would bake them for less time, and if they're thicker, you'd bake them for a longer time. Okay, so the tilapia now has been baking for 45 minutes on 450, and it's okay if there's some of that water and juice under there. That's totally fine. It actually adds more flavor to it. And now I'm going to go ahead and plate my tilapia. Alrighty, so I went ahead and plated my tilapia. I added some lemon slices, and I'm going to be serving this with some white rice. But if you'd prefer a healthier option, some baked asparagus goes great with this dish. And I'm going to go ahead and cut into it so you can see how it looks like on the inside. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.